Stands in the name of Dr. Kyei, a member for Offinso North. Honorable member, you have the floor now.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. My question to the Honorable Minister for Roads and Highways is to ask when the Afrancho, Akomadine, Nkenkenso, Daso, and Kobreso town routes and 8 area route upgrading project awarded by the previous MPP government will be completed.
Yes, Honorable Minister.
Nkenkenso town road. Background. Nkenkenso is one of the principal towns in the Offinso North district of the Ashanti region. It is located along the Kumasi-Techiman Highway, which is a gravel road with poor surface condition. Current program. The Nkenkenso town road have been awarded under the contract title Upgrading of Nkenkenso town road 8.75 kilometers to bituminous surfacing. The works commenced on 24th January 2025 for completion on the 6th of August 2026. The next one, Daso Town Road. Background, Daso is one of the principal towns in the Offinso North district of Ashanti region. It is located along the Kumasi-Techiman Highway. It is a gravel road with a fair surface condition. Current program, the Daso Town Road have been awarded under a contract title Upgrading of Kobreso Town Road and others, 13.7 kilometers to bituminous surfacing. The works commenced on the 24th of January 2025 to be completed by 6th of August 2026. The contractor is currently mobilizing to commence the works. Kobreso Town Roads. Background. Kobreso is one of the principal towns in the Offinso North district of Ashanti region. It is located along the Kumasi-Techiman Highway. It is gravel road with fair surface condition. Program. The Kobreso Town Road have been awarded under a contract titled Upgrading of Kobreso Town Roads and others, 13.7 kilometers to bituminous surfacing. The works commenced on 24th January 2025 for completion on 6th of August 2026. The contractor is currently mobilizing to commence work on site.